Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below and press the bell icon. Hi friends, today we will be reading a story about the lion and the rabbit. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a beautiful jungle, lived a magnificent lion named Leo. Leo was strong, proud, and known to be the king of the jungle. He ruled over all the animals with fairness and kindness. The jungle was a lively place with creatures of all shapes and sizes, living together in harmony. In the same jungle there lived a small but clever rabbit named Robbie. Robbie was quick-witted and loved to explore every corner of the jungle. He was well known for his intelligence and cunning tricks. One sunny day, as Robbie was hopping around, he stumbled upon Leo the mighty lion, taking a nap under a tall tree. Robbie, being curious rabbit, couldn't resist a urge to play a little prank on the king of the jungle. He tiptoed near Leo gently, tickled the lion's ears with his whiskers. Startled, Leo woke up with a roar. "Who dares to disturb the king's slumber?" he thundered. But when he saw the tiny rabbit in front of him, he couldn't help but chuckle. "Oh, it's you, Robbie. You certainly know how to surprise me." Robbie grinned mischievously and replied, "I couldn't resist, Your Majesty. It was too tempting. Leo, amused by Robbie's playful nature, decided to engage in a friendly conversation with the rabbit. They began to share stories and laugh together, realizing that they had more in common than they had true. Leo was impressed by Robbie's intelligence and resourcefulness, while Robbie admired Leo's strength and bravery. As the days went by, Leo and Robbie became the best of friends. They spent their time exploring the jungle, playing games and helping each other whenever they could. Leo learned a lot from Robbie's cleverness, and Robbie gained courage and wisdom from Leo's guidance. Their friendship brought a positive change to the entire jungle. The other animals were amazed to see the king of the jungle and a tiny rabbit playing together and setting an example for unity and and acceptance. One day, a fierce storm struck the jungle. The wind blew with great force and the rain poured down heavily. The animals were scared and sought shelter, but some of them were trapped in a flood. Leo and Robbie began to courageous, being the courageous duo, they were sprang into action with Leo's strength and Robbie's quick thinking. They rescued all the standard animals, led them to safety. The grateful animals hailed Leo and Robbie as the heroes from that day. Forward, the lion and the rabbit were revered as the guardians of the jungle. They continued to work together, using their unique strengths to protect and care for their animal friends. And so the friendship between a mighty lion and a clever rabbit showed everyone that no matter how different we may seem, we achieve great things when we come together, appreciate each other's strengths, and work as a team. And they all live happily ever after in their vibrant and harmonious jungle. The end. Bye guys. Comment down below and give a like and subscribe. Bye.